of typing, act as an expert developer but still getting boring messy code, this new agency tool fixes this by giving you 232 hyper-specialized AI agents that live right inside your own editor. Today using this tool, I'm going to be building my own chat UI dashboard, combining the power of this new tool with the local Llama models. Hello everyone and welcome back to Build with AI series where I cover local and free AI tools to build practical AI projects. So first let's cover the main powers of this agency tool. This project is basically an entire company sitting inside a single folder. So instead of just talking to one generic AI, you get access to specialized experts from front-end wizards to Reddit marketing ninjas. What makes this unique is that every single agent have their own powers and personalities. So each agent is a specialized expert. They don't just give you vague advice. They follow exact processes to give you real measurable results. And you don't even have to mess around the terminal commands if you don't want to. They have a native desktop app for Windows, Mac, and Linux that lets you browse the entire roster and install them with one single click. What this tool basically is that it is a growing collection of meticulously crafted AI agents given by the Reddit community, where each of the agents are entirely different. They have their own deep expertise, meaning they understand the complex architecture and also the real-world trade-offs for their specific jobs. And these agents are built to be production ready. They come with built-in quality checks and success metrics, so they know exactly what a good result should look like before they hand it over to you. And the way of installation is also really simple. You can directly install the application which is recommended by the team. You can directly download the latest release software, or if you are on a Mac, you just need to run this simple command. But if you are, let's say, using Claude Code Terminal, again, it is really easy. You just need to copy these two commands and all of the agents will be directly downloaded to your Claude Code directory. But you can also use these agents as references because each of the agents are a single file contained, having everything from identity, personal traits, what are their core missions and workflows, what kind of deliveries they have to make, what are their success metrics and communication style. But finally, you can also integrate it with other tools as well like GitHub Copilot, Antigravity, OpenClaw, Cursor, Radar, and all kind of AI agents that you generally use. To install in all these IDs, you just need to again run some simple commands and just replace your ID name here. But let's say if you don't want to install all the 232 agents, you can specify the division of agents that you want to be installed. So you only download the ones that are required for your own use cases. Now, if you look at the teams of the agents, first is the engineering division team. And this isn't just a single coder. It's broken down into highly specialized roles. So you have everything from a mobile app builder to a backend architect to a front-end developer. And if you go down, you will see some really cool roles like autonomous optimization architect, which specializes entirely in LLM routing and the cost optimization, which in turn helps you design systems that save money and run faster without sacrificing the quality. And let's say if you are onboarding an intern, you have a code-based onboarding engineer as well, where this specific agent reads the code, traces the paths, and explains the structure to you so you can start building immediately. And we all hate it when an AI decides to change your entire code just to do a simple fix. So to get rid of that, you can use the minimum change engineer, which only does the minimum viable differences in your codes, fixing only what is really asked. Then you have other agent teams as well, like the design division, which helps you to make your applications beautiful, usable, and delightful. Then let's say if you are running a business, you can use the paid media division, which can turn your ad spends into measurable business outcomes. Similarly, there are other teams as well, like sales division, marketing division, specializing in all kind of social media pages like TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, App Store, and all other popular platforms. Then there is the product division team, which can build the right things at the right time so it can manage the whole project from end to end. Then there are project management as well, which can keep the whole project train running on time and also take care of your budget. You can check out all the teams here in the official documentation. Right now, I'm going to be testing 3 of its major teams using my own local setup. For my project environment, I'm going to be using Google Antigravity. If you don't have it installed, just go to antigravity.google/download and download the installer according to your own platform. And I'm going to be using those agents with the local Ollama model. If you don't have Ollama installed, just go to ollama.com/download and download the software according to your own platform. And I'm going to be using the specific DeepSeek V4 distilled model, which takes the base model of Q1 3.59b and fine-tune it using the high-quality training data from DeepSeek V4. To install this model, we just need to copy this query, Once you open Google Anti-Gravity, just open the terminal by expanding this below pan and just run the query here. So this will download the whole model into your own system. Keep in mind that it is 6 GB big and you will need at least 4 to 8 GB of VRAM in your own system. But if you have a lower configuration, you can go for the lower models as well, like Gemma 4E2B, any model from Q1, Llama or IBM Granite family. For building my chat UI dashboard, I'm going to be using Streamlit as my dashboard library. And for running the local LLM models, I'm going to be using Ollama, and the specific LLM model that I'm going to be using is the same DeepSeek V4 distilled model. And for the AI agent personas, I'm going to be using the Agency-Agents library. I'm going to be building the main code in this app.py file. First, I'm going to be installing the Streamlit, Ollama, and the request libraries. Streamlit will be used to build the final dashboard, while Ollama and request library will be used to send the local LLM requests. Then the Ollama model I'm specifying as this model, but if you want to use some other lower or higher model, you can just replace the name here. Then the agents roles I'm giving right now is the front-end developer, and I'm going to be fetching the relevant file for this front-end developer from the Agency-Agents library. The next two roles are the growth hacker and the penetration tester, where growth hacker can help me in marketing and penetration tester can help me in security. And first I'm going to be resetting all the messages in the current session state so that I can start a new conversation. Then I'm going to be giving the title of the page as Agency Chat UI, and I'm going to ask the user that they can select their personas with the agents keys that I have defined here. Then once the chat is initialized, I'm going to go to the same URL page in the Agency-Agents library as the agent that is selected by the user. Then in the session state messages, I'm going to be appending the system and assistant role, where the assistant will just say that I am ready and I am this particular agent. Then I'm going to be rendering the chat bubbles so the user can put in their message. So I'm going to give a chat input that type your message here, and whatever the user gives will go to this content prompt. Then I'm going to be passing this same message to the Ollama chat function, where you can interact with any LLM model that you want, and you can just pass on your specific messages in this messages parameter. And once I get the response, I will fetch the message and the content keys, which will have the actual text response given by the LLM model. And this reply will be streamed in the ST dashboard using the role as assistant because this is the message given by the AI assistant. And in the sidebar, user will have an option to download the whole conversation. And once they click on this download button, the whole conversation will be downloaded in this output.md file. Now the whole file is ready. We just need to run it with a simple command. So I'll just open the terminal again and type streamlit run app.py, which will launch my dashboard using the Streamlit library. So just press enter here. I can select any of the persona that I want, let's say front-end developer, growth hacker, or penetration tester. For testing, I'll just select the growth hacker. So the message of assistant is updated that ready, I am the growth hacker. And I'll paste a sample query here that I just built a new fitness tracking app for beginners. And I have a zero marketing budget, so just give me a 3-step viral growth strategy to get my first 1,000 users. So I'll press submit here. So now once the processing has finished, I have got this output.md file. Here we have the selected agent persona, what was the query given by the user, and what was the response given by the assistant. So it has given me the step-by-step strategy to how to get my 1,000 first users. Let's say first the tactic is that when a user finishes their first 5-minute workout, frees their flex milestone, then the only way to unlock the intermediate plan is by inviting one accountability partner via SMS or WhatsApp. So this is hitting the beginners because they simply quit because they lack accountability. So the agent has advised to turn this into your core acquisition engine. Then in step 2, it is saying that we should target the day 1 sweat Reddit hijack, where we shouldn't just post generic ad on our fitness forums, instead share raw vulnerable value. So instead of just posting some random ads, it is saying that post a 30-day challenge completely in text format, and at the end just casually mention that I built a tiny free app just to track this specific routine. So this will force the users to download the app because we aren't just selling, but we are actually solving a problem. So people will naturally DM us for the link of the app in the comments, signaling the high intent. Then in step 3, it is giving the microfinance barter, which it is asking to forget the big Instagram fitness models, but instead to target the micro creators on TikTok who just post my weight loss journey diaries. So the tactic is to spam DM 50 of them, don't ask for a promo, but just ask their feedback on the application. This generally works because the micro creators crave validation and the official partnerships. So if we give them our own named workouts in the app, this will cost us nothing but guarantees that they will brag it about in their platforms. So this was the complete report given by the AI agent, which specialized in growth hacker strategies. This way you can select any of the agent personas that you want for your use cases and build complete automation pipelines to get similar reports and dashboards. In README file, I've also listed some other ideas that where you can use the different agent personas like front-end development, growth hacking, penetration testing, copywriting and branding, and building technical architecture. Then there are some ideas of future feature additions that you can do on top of this project, like adding some session management of user conversations, adding multi-agent debates using some different agent personas, then building local custom agents where you can upload your own MD file instead of only fetching from the GitHub repository. Then you can add some advanced model settings like some UI sliders to adjust the LLM temperature, the top P parameter value, and the context window size. Then you can also export the complete conversation as a fully beautiful report, the sample of which I have shown in this current project as well. So that was the agency tool, an incredibly powerful way to turn your own local code editor into a full tech company. All the codes and the README files with the step-by-step instruction on how to set up the project will be available in the GitHub link in description and pinned comments. So grab them right now and start building the project easily. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.